Hey guys, Josh here with Sell the Trend. So let's talk about influencer marketing. Now we're going to talk a little bit about finding influencers. So I already mentioned to you guys the TikTok made me buy it. That's a hashtag that you can go over to TikTok and look for. So let's do that really quick. So you guys can see here, if you come over to TikTok and type in hashtag TikTok made me buy it, you can actually scroll through, and what you're going to see is a lot of unboxing videos or a lot of product use videos. What are really cool about these is if you find some of these that you can go look on Sell the Trend and see if you can find that same exact product. Like this round ice cube tray, for instance. If we come over to Sell the Trend, round ice cube tray, let's just take a look and see if we can find something. So it's a very similar product right here on Sell the Trend. There's also these honeycomb ones. There's a bunch of different ones, you guys. So basically, you can take what's going on TikTok and take a look at how other people do these videos. Now, you could very easily reach out to this individual, right? So come on over here. She's got 2.8 million followers, and it looks like all she does is product videos. So that might be expensive to actually find out what she charges, but it might not. So it might be worth you guys just reaching out and actually seeing what she charges for a video post. Now, let's go back. And again, you can kind of just scroll through and see which of these, videos got a lot of views. Like this one, I've seen this video a lot right here, 11.4 million views. Now, if we come over here to Haley, she's got 27,000 followers. So it probably wouldn't be super expensive to work with her, right? So she doesn't have a massive following, but she does have a couple of videos here that have gone viral, and it looks like she's probably herself selling this product. Great person to reach out to see if she would do a product video based on whatever niche or product that you're actually working in. All right, now over on Instagram, what you can do is if you use like hashtag dogs, for instance, if you're running a dog company, you're gonna see all these different hashtags, dogs of InstaWorld, dogs of Instagram, and you can scroll through here and you're going to see posts that are all relevant to that hashtag. And that's one way of finding influencers. But the other thing is, if you just type in dogs without the hashtag, you're going to start seeing a bunch of accounts that are basically related to dogs. All right, so the next way that you guys can do search is you can come on over to Google and you can type in site and you can put in Instagram. And you can put dogs, for instance. Now, this could be camping, this could be beauty, it could be any niche that you're deciding to actually build your brand around, you can replace with that. So what it's gonna do though is it is going to find all the relevant pages that are tied to Instagram.com and also include dogs. It'll actually show you different pages on here. And you can actually do the same exact thing with Twitter. So if you're looking for different ways to find accounts on Twitter, you can do the same thing. And it'll also show you different types of influencer pages that are on Twitter as well. Now, before you guys get ready to actually send an email to these influencers, let's talk a little bit about the importance of engagement when it comes to these platforms.